Mohamed Salah will have to do to land more global brand deals? Get the most goals? Rag the most assists? Or have an insane reach on social media? Well, he has it all, and yet he's not a top tier favorite amongst top global brands. To be clear, it's not that Salah lacks endorsements. Over the years, he has had major deals in his kitty. Brands such as Adidas, Vodafone, Visa, Pepsi, Uber, DHL, real estate brand Mountain View have all been partners of Salah amongst some other brands. However, majority of these deals have been region specific or are not active anymore. His Vodafone deal majorly targets the Middle East and parts of Africa. His Visa ambassador role, which was launched in 2024, is also restricted to Middle East and North of Africa. Despite the regional focus, Salah's global presence is undeniable, and here are two recent examples of it. When Salah recently signed his contract extension with LSE, he wore a Richard Mille watch. He is not an official endorser of the brand, and yet that picture and that watch created a buzz all over social media. The watch trended globally, proving the kind of influence Salah has without even having a formal partnership with the brand. The second example came in during our match against Spurs, which helped us win the league. After scoring a goal, Salah ran towards the crowd, picked up a camera, clicked a selfie, and that moment became one of the most amazing moments of the night, not just for the people who were in that picture, but everybody else who is watching that moment from their house. Now, Google Pixel, which is an official sponsor of the club, did try to tap on the opportunity, but we all saw that the first camera that Salah held in his hand was an Apple iPhone. There are, of course, a few other things to be considered. Due to his religious beliefs, Salah cannot endorse a few product lines such as alcohol or betting. But there are so many other brands and industries that can be tapped on, such as automobile, watch, or even a phone. In fact, in my humble opinion, a phone deal is a must for Salah. He's always taking those selfies with people at the gym everywhere he goes. There's another factor that before Salah, LFC or even England did not have a huge Arabic name. But now with his rising popularity every day, we have another huge market to explore, not just for him but also for our club. Salah ticks so many boxes. He has a great image. He is good at what he does. He's a family man. He has a reputation, a goodwill that he has built over the years. He's a perfect endorser for any brand, and it's high time that every global brand out there sees the opportunity that they are missing out on by not signing Mohamed Salah as a brand ambassador. Do let me know your thoughts on the video and which brand according to you should pick up Salah as their brand ambassador. For more such content, please subscribe to the channel, and to show more love, you have to like the video.